This is the Shepherdia canadensis in a larger plug, and you can see a whole bunch of it that's growing here at Tree Time greenhouses. This is the Canadian Buffaloberry. This is being grown in a larger plug for a specific reason. This is about 18 centimeters across on the top and about you'll see about 15 centimeters deep, and this creates a higher mill root volume of a plug that makes it so that planting is almost assured of establishment. It costs a lot more money up front, but it is a lot more forgiving of bad sites and bad planting. Remember folks, it's not enough to just dig a hole and put a tree in it. You have to put it in with a whole bunch of different factors to be successful at planting, and have to water it more, whereas with a big plug like this, it is going to be more forgiving for you. Larger plugs are something we're getting asked for more and more, as people don't want to be using chemical sprays or can't always use mulches, etc., to reduce the pressure from grasses and weeds. Check out www.treetime.ca to learn more.